This is NextGen Automotive Activity Tracker. So I have a couple of screens open. I just want to kind of run through them. This is a demo screen. It has 8 areas up top that can be used to track activity. This particular screen is a manager demo, but this one that I just popped up in blue would be a user demo. So it looks largely the same. Right now, the demo has 8 activity boxes up top. We can change that to 6 or to 4, whatever your business needs within reason. You don't really, in my opinion, want to track too many activities because it tends to be, it can be overwhelming. Basically, we're interested in how many calls a person makes, how many emails they send, how many texts they send. And basically, whenever one of those activities happen, they just click 1. And you'll notice I just clicked add 1 for the calls, and it went from 10 to 11. Now I've clicked it again, and you'll see it go from 11 to 12. I can click if I send an email down in the bottom left here for email sent, and you'll see it add 1. So it basically just allows me to track my activity. If I made a call and I contacted someone, I could click the contacted button, and that just gives me an idea as I go throughout my day how many people I contacted of the total that I called. And then if I set an appointment, I click add 1, and there's an interface here. If I click on the date, it'll give me a calendar option. It'll also give me time options here to make it super quick and easy. As far as lead sources, the lead sources are custom for your store. You can add and subtract those as you like. We strongly encourage you to only put lead sources that are valid for your store. There's a reason we don't have a couple hundred lead sources listed here. We don't want users to just default to the wrong lead source and just click on something out of habit. We want to actually help you track which lead sources that particular customer came in on that helped set the appointment. So as the user scrolls down, they'll just see a running log of their activity, and they'll have a calendar here with the appointment information. If that appointment information is clicked, then the details pop up, and as the appointment time passes, they can change the status of the appointment. So this is the user screen and the user reporting. Their reports would be very simple, just like what we just saw. They don't have but one report basically of their own activity. Now, if they want to change this from a blue theme to something else, they could just update their information. They can update their gravatar. They can also change the theme to a different color. So I'm going to choose pink for now, and then I'm going to go back to the dashboard just to give you an idea of what that looks like. So it's pretty cool. It allows them some customization options. So I want to show you now the manager screen. This one's still in black. This is the main manager dashboard. Now, this is the dashboard for the entire store. So a manager sees the total calls of the entire store. So this number represents all users in the store today. These blocks up top are today's numbers only. So if that manager scrolls down, I've just stuck a few names in here, but they're going to be the calls, the contacted, and their click. So if I click on the calls here, I see the times. Now in this case, I just stuck some demo calls in, but if I was a manager and I saw this many calls this close together, that would be a problem for me. So also I have the master calendar down the bottom left, and I can see the appointment details. Now the manager has a little bit different reporting situation. So the manager can click on the call statistics and see the various users in the store, and it's broken down by various activities, and we can customize these, remove these if you want. For example, you may not have an activities button, and if you did, you may call it something else. There's contacts made and a contacted, again, just for demo purposes, but this might be your contacted calls. This might be something else that you're tracking for a campaign or something. We have a pretty robust reporting tool. You can change the dates and so forth. Managers can also change the color of the theme. So we'll just update the information on this one, and we'll do green. See what that looks like. Take us back to the main dashboard. So again, it's pretty cool looking, I think. I like it. So this is the manager section. The other screen that we showed you was the user section. A lot alike, but the manager has the total for the entire store on his screen and better reporting. So that's the Next Gen Automotive Solutions Tracker tool. Thank you.